Welcome to the future of construction. In this video, we'll explore how building information modeling, better known as BIM, is transforming project management from chaotic to coordinated, from over budget to under control. BIM is more than just 3D modeling. It's a collaborative process that brings architecture, engineering, and construction teams together on a single, intelligent digital model. With BIM, every stakeholder works from the same source of truth: designs, schedules, cost estimates, and more, all in real time. So how exactly does BIM improve project management? BIM reduces rework by catching clashes early. Plumbers know where the ducts are. Electricians see the walls before they're built. With accurate quantity takeoffs and visual simulations, cost estimation becomes more precise. No more surprises down the line. BIM integrates time, creating 4D models that help managers visualize progress and predict delays. Everyone, on-site or remote, can access the same model. Communication gaps shrink, and decisions happen faster. Across the globe, BIM is revolutionizing how we build. From hospitals to high-rises, it's minimizing downtime, maximizing safety, and keeping teams aligned. In fact, studies show that BIM-enabled projects are delivered up to 30% faster with significantly fewer change orders. The future? Think smarter. AI, IoT, and BIM are joining forces, creating digital twins that help manage buildings even after construction is complete. BIM isn't just for building. It's for operating, maintaining, and optimizing long after the ribbon is cut. BIM simplifies the complex, aligns the chaotic, and builds the future, smarter, faster, and better. Ready to manage your next project with BIM?